What is up, internet? Welcome back to another video. We got some packages up there. They're going on the Porsche. We got some new Brembo brakes. I'm super excited. It took like 7 or 8 days to ship off of eBay, which really was not bad at all. But I should have put new brakes on the car way sooner because they are getting pretty bad. Yeah, without delay though, let's just go put these on. I'm not sure if both boxes will actually fit in here. Let's grab the other one. The other one's the really heavy box. That one's heavy. Go on sideways. No. Oh, it fits, yeah. I just completely destroyed the box so to get it in there. Who says 911s aren't practical? Look at that.
What's up? I'm Cedric and we're working on my Porsche today.
What kind of Porsche is it, Cedric?
911.
What year is it?
2001. And we're going to be working on the brakes.
It's 1999, I thought.
No.
Oh, okay, we're working on the brakes.
I'm going to show you how to take off a tire. First, get your air gun. Push the trigger. Put it on the tire. Crank that soldier boy.
There we go. Goodness gracious. Voila. Brand new tires too, look at those. Your choice of weapon, sir? I'm so excited to get these changed, guys, because these are getting pretty bad. We got some good lip on there. You don't want any lip on your rotors. And these ones in the rear are even worse. And these are actually quite a solid upgrade. What is up, guys? It has been a couple weeks. I was waiting on some parts because when we wanted to do the brakes, I didn't have these. These are the clips that hold in the pads and the retention pins. Didn't have those. Took forever to come in the mail, so here we are again. Attempt number 2, getting the brakes changed. Now I need them changed really badly, so let's get these done. Okay guys, Eric is working on the front tires, the front brakes. I'm going to be working on the rears. Here's something that you might not know. Look how wide these are the rear tires. These are some meat, these are some big tires. Kind of cool. These have not been taken off in a long time. They are not coming loose. Try it again. I gotta beep that out of the video, dog. Hey yo.
I whispered it, bro.
That's the bolt we're taking out, and there's one on the bottom as well, and that's what holds on the caliper. But man, they are super tight. Jeez Louise. Maybe let's grab some penetrating oil. Okay guys, we got the caliper hung up. Sorry, hammering as soon as I recorded. And now we gotta take these 2 bolts out here, and the caliper or the rotor will come off. And we're trying to shock them before we spin so that they'll break free.
You good now?
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Fingers crossed. Nice. Woo! Out with the old, baby. Nice. Oh, there. There's the old set. And here are the new Brembos. Nice. Looks way better. Okay guys, we got the new rears on, and here's something cool I never knew. On the factory Porsche caliper, it says Brembo on there. So I guess there are factory Brembos on there. Okay guys, we just got the last brake on. Got them all complete. The lips on the old rotors. You can hear how bad the lip is on these old rotors. You can see how bad they are on that one right there. Anyways, not all the pads were very bad. Like, some of these still had some life in them, but I'm just glad to get the upgraded ones on there. It took a little bit longer than expected, but it really wasn't that bad. Okay guys, finally made it back home. Here's the time. It's just about 1 in the morning. We finished up about 12:15, 12:30, and then I went out and drove the car around to break in the brake pads and the rotors. So you're supposed to speed up to 35 miles an hour and slow down moderately to 5 miles an hour. You do that 4 times, or 3 or 4 times, and then you go do the same thing with 55 miles an hour and slow down to 5 miles an hour. You do that 3 or 4 times, and then your brake pads should be good. You don't want to brake very hard for like while you have them for the first little bit. But yeah, it's a really good feeling to get some upgraded parts onto the car. Even something simple like brakes and rotors. I'm just excited to continue to build this car out. If you've watched this far in the video, I really appreciate you. Hit that thumbs up if you like the video. Consider subscribing to the channel because we're going to be doing a lot more with this car and possibly other cars in the future. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Peace. Okay guys, Sam here is betting me $5 that he can fit inside my trunk or frunk. I think he can't, and I think we won't be able to close the hood.
Okay, no, when you go back. The trick is comfort.
Okay.
Oh, see?
You want me to try to close it?
In a second.
Dude, you're crazy. There's no way.
Shut it.
You want me to shut it?
Shut it.
You want me to shut it?
Shut
I can't. What's blocking me?
Nothing.
Oh, it's it's the tools. Okay, hold on. I'll move these chairs. You hold it.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. Okay, now I'm closing it. You ready?
Yeah.
I can't close it all the way. I can't close it all the way.
Yes, you can. I believe in you.
You want me to try? Okay, it's closed. No way. He's in there. Oh, you gotta get him out. We gotta get him out. Hold on. It's coming, Sam. No way.
Not that bad.
That wasn't that bad?
Yeah, it was that bad. Oh. See, it's like you're staying at a hotel. Lots of room.
Oh my god.
Comfort.
Well, now I owe you $5. Son of a gun.
Yeah, you're telling me.
It's actually a good bit of room in there.
I wonder if I could fit in there while we drift.
No, we're not doing that. Yo, easy on it.